Hi, Nigel from Purple Line, Air Orbit Annexes. Today we're going to talk about fitting the sail track to the van. On this particular van we do have one already on the top. It has been fitted, but we're going to talk about fitting the sails tracks onto the side. With our sails track that was already included in the kit, you can see we have a left and a right cut on an angle. These are cut in a particular way so that they are fitted to the van correctly. This side will fit onto the van like so. We have the other two pieces. These two here are straight cut on both ends. These are for the fitting of the draft skirt, which will then be fitted down here. You'll need a few simple tools to be able to conduct this exercise. Hand drill, you'll need a pen, tape measure, pot rivets, pot rivet gun and silicone. Most important is the silicone for sealing. Once you've put a hole in the side of your van, we need to seal that up and make sure that there is a correct seal there. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to measure exactly where you're going to put your annex and also space out your rivets in an equal manner. First thing you do is also mark the side of your van to where you're going to go, and you drill using a hand drill nice and slowly. Determine the depth is only very small. It's probably around 3 millimeters. You don't need to go much deeper than that to get through the outer skin of your van. Once you've drilled your holes in the predetermined spot, you're then going to be fitting your sail track with your rivets. Prior to doing so, strip of silicone down the back to put a full seal down the side, saves any drafts coming through, but also a little dob of silicone in the drill hole. Once you put the rivet in, that will then help seal it. Guys, happy camping. We look forward to seeing you on the road. All the best. Be safe.